Hey friends, you can easily create mandalas online. Did you know that? It's free and super easy. Do you want to try it? Here are the best 5 mandala making sites. Are you ready? Watch the full part of the video. You can subscribe to this channel now. Number 5. colormandala.com. After opening the website colormandala.com, you can see this sections of color, print, design new and login. Let's design a new mandala. You can see the different features on the right sections and back and action section at the top. You can add the different shapes and can edit them as per your interest. Ready, you can click on the action section and save your file on your device. Number 4. Mandala-app.com. After you open this website, you can see the different tools on the left section. You can pick a brush tool and customize its size, choose the color and start to drag your mouse and move to create a different linear. Finally, the mandala is ready. You can save it by clicking the green download button on the left side. Number 3. mandalamaker.online. After you open this site, you can see the left section with the tools. Sorry friend, it's the right section, just a tongue slip. You can choose the color, sectors, line width, mirror effect. Hey, you can click the clear button to start a new one if you change your mind to make another one.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
You can save your file after you finish your mandala. Number 2. StateTLR.com. When you land on this website, you can see that the website is fully dedicated to art activities. You have to scroll down. Click on Create your individual mandala. Scroll down and click on Open the Creator. On this website, you can get the different tools at the right top corner. Using these tools, you have to create the different layers of different patterns.
These walls fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands.
After you are done, you can print and download your file on your device, or click the reset for another mandala. Number 1. MandalaGaba.com. On this website, you can see the different tools given on the left top corner. You can hold and drag your mouse to fix the axis of your mandala as per your idea. You can use the pen tool, mirror effect, and various tools to beautify your mandala to the next level. You can customize the color on the background and on the liner part of the mandala as per your idea, which is a super feature available on this website than the previous mandala making websites. You can also drag the shades of the color to its brightness, which is a very interesting feature. You can save and share from this section, and you can click the new session if you made any mistakes. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. You can watch the full tutorial about MandalaGaba.com by clicking at the right top corner here. You can click on the save button and save your design on your device.
Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, then please like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for such videos.